guys! Kamusta kayo? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag yung kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another video reaction na nang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa interview ni Michelle D. So Michelle D yung ating pambato para sa Miss Universe 2023 and yeah, magpa-flight na siya papuntang El Salvador. And yun nga no, dagdag ko lang guys no. Support naman natin si Michelle D. Huwag tayo puro bash ng bash, 'di ba? Tayong mga Pilipino, ba't naging kuwan na natin guys, naging kultura na natin yung pambabash, nalalait tayo ng kapwa Pilipino natin. Dapat tayong mga Pilipino yung mag-aangat sa kanya, yung susupport sa kanya. Maging hype tayo sa pag-support sa kanya. Pero yung pagiging hype na yun, dapat in a good way. Supportahan natin yung sariling atin. And then yung mga nalalait na mga taga-ibang bansa, kay Michelle D, hayaan na lang natin. Huwag na lang natin patulan yung guys. Dahil yung mga nanlalait na yun, ay may epekto din sa kanila yun guys. Kasi yung mga nanlalait na yun, ay babalik at babalik din sa kanila yun. And yun nga, magkuha na lang tayo guys. Meron man tayo naririnig na hindi maganda, ilabas na lang natin sa kabilang tenga natin at hayaan na lang natin. Ang gawin na lang natin guys is i-pulse work natin si Michelle D. So, ang dami ko nasabi, no? So, panoorin na natin to guys, yung kanyang interview. Sobrang ganda ni Michelle D dito guys, kasi yung hair na nyo, bagay na bagay talaga. And grabe yung beauty niya, no? Hindi siya nakakasawang tingnan. Alright.
So, I am wearing Bill Araya's custom. For me, it's denim. I've always been a denim and leather fan. And I said that
sobrang kanya guys. Sobrang
my
napaka-expensive ng look
we
niya.
put in a lot of work. Grabe, we were filming for so many days in a row. But I'm very confident in the work.
Michelle, after so many years, you're going to be representing the
Yes.
Ngayon ba naman po na dream come true?
It is definitely, it's years of hard work, years of dedication, blood, sweat, and
Yes.
tears, especially this year. Last year was really the hardest
Ang ganda niya, no?
of my life. With my parents, with my mother was getting into accidents, being able to persevere and win the crown. And finally, I was just telling my friends earlier that grabe, time just flies so fast. It feels like I just won the nationals last night, and now I'm already flying to El Salvador. So, grabe.
I love that you're wearing the Philippines.
Of course.
Wow.
Yes,
On your chest. How much do you want to win this Philippines?
I want to win it wholeheartedly. 500%, 10,000%. Sobrang
Fighting spirit.
pinaghandaan ng buong Pilipinas. And obviously, I just hope that that shines in El Salvador.
With your fans have been waiting here for 2
I know,
hours.
hello!
Wow. Yun nga no guys, support natin si Michelle D. So iwasan natin mang-bash bagkos ay maging hype tayo in a good way. I-hype natin, full support natin si Michelle D sa darating na competition. So starting today hanggang sa final coronation guys is support natin si Michelle D. And even yung mga kandidata guys ay support din natin sila. Iwasan natin yung pambabash. Go for Michelle D. Alright! Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo to ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!